Welcome, brothers and sisters, to Drop Zone C4 and also the next video in our series called Let's Go Wreck. In our previous video, I just showed you guys an example of what the game is all about. So, in today's episode, we are going to start our career in the Wreckfest. So, brothers and sisters of the Drop Zone C4 family, I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe some of you guys know what is going to happen, but this is my first time playing this game. So, brothers and sisters of the Drop Zone C4 family, let's go wreck. Alright, brothers and sisters, so here we have it. So, I'm thinking let's just jump into it. So, let's start career. Alright, we have options. So, we have regional juniors, we have national amateurs, challengers, pro, internationals, and we have world masters. So I'm thinking there's the different kind of levels that this game has. So because I see the others are locked and only regional juniors are unlocked, so I'm thinking let's start with regional juniors. Alright, so just gonna read through this quickly. Yes, challenge eater. Alright, demolition racing, banger racing, demolition derby, demolition racing, and we have banger racing, challenge mean machine. Alright, so I'm thinking we start off with the challenge eater. Alright, so I think we start off with the lawnmower. Alright, so I think it's gonna be a lawnmower battle going on here. So I'm excited to see what is going to happen, brothers and sisters. It looks pretty much the same. Just wreck everyone and leave, like Roman Reigns said. Alright, so here we have the airfield, grass field. Alright, so this is our lawnmower. Alright, so let's see what we can do with it. Let's give it a little red. Alright, oh, are we in teams?
And his name is John C.
Alright. Oh, there you go. Sorry. I mean, there was sensitive for me or something. Where are you reversing to? These guys. Nope, you missed me. Alright, let's go. Bro, can we get a victim, please? We can't drive around in circles the whole time. I mean, come on, man. This is Wreckfest, not get your license. Let's wreck some people. Oh man, this guy. Don't know, it's just driving by itself. Oh man, alive, we just. Oh, that was nice. Man, again? Alright, reset. Alright, let's go. Boom, where are you reversing to? Why are you guys so into reversing? We have another victim. Wrecked, and wrecked. Alright, let's just go. Let's see what we can find. Oh, we're not gonna wreck ourselves again. We are burning. We are actually burning. So I think that guy just extinguished our flame. Oh hell no. You think you can just bump into me and just get away with it? Well, lucky for you, there's a lot of people, so I don't know who you are, so you're safe. Alright. Where are you going? Let's go. Alright. Nope, don't reverse. Alright, our vehicle is 42. So, boom. There you go, son, bro. So, gotta say, this is kind of fun. This is actually fun. Driving on the lawnmower, just to see the bodies hit the floor, jumping off their lawnmowers and stuff like that. You know, it's fun. Boom, there you go. And you extinguish my flame, so thank you for that. Alright, how many are there? Alright, so it looks like we're first. Oh, so I'm thinking it's how many. Oh, so it's a time limit. So it's kind of like how many bodies you've got. it looks like we're still in first place. No one can get us. One, go. Let's go. Let's go. Like we are just the GOAT in this game. Like even though it's our first experience, we're just like natural in the game. Natural in the game. No one can beat us. I mean, even though this is, oh, look at our vehicle, like, bro, come on. All right, performance, power, strength. All right, performance, armor. Okay, it looks like we got some upgrades. All right, let's continue. All right, we unlock the new vehicle. Oh, we got a lawnmower. All right, so I'm thinking we just go on to the next one. All right, bonus targets 1 out of 1. Got it. All right. Oh, so it's just like the different kind of challenges. Okay. I thought there would be more, but I guess this is it. All right. So let's go on to Midwest Motor Center. Right. So let's start. I forgot to check what vehicle we are driving, but I guess that's fine. And it looks like we are on a circuit. So I think this is kind of a race, if I'm correct. But let's see. Let's see what we have here. Right. Like this. Motor center. Oh, and we're in the car again. Okay. So let's start. Alright. Let's give it a little rev. Rev. Let's go. I always like to start. We can just get the advantage and we can take the lead. So I don't know, actually I just think this is a normal race, but I'm thinking we can still wreck each other. Like if you guys can see behind me what is going on there. So let's go. Alright, I just stop looking so much behind. That. Alright, we're at lane 2, so let's go. So I just want to get like the objectives done and stuff like that. Maybe we can try this again, and then maybe we can just have some fun and just wreck some people because we know the objectives now. Action. Guys, I'm gonna be so mad if we get to lap 3 and we're about to finish the race and then this guy overtakes me. I'm gonna be so mad because we held the lead this whole time just for some idiot to overtake me and win the race. I'm a pro driver. I got my license, bro. I got my license. I'm certified. Look at this turn. Yep. Think you're better than me? Huh? Think you're better than me? Right. I think this is the finish line, so let's go. Yeah, easy. Like, no difficulty. There's no difficulty. Like, there's no challenge. There's no competition. We just did this. Or maybe just because we're still at the lower level, but you know, a win is a win. Regardless of how you look at it, a win is a win. Alright, so I see we have another race, so let's wrap it up. So, first place. Oh no, I didn't see that turn coming. Hey. Let's go, bro. You're not. You're not. Wait.
Where are you going?
I forgot which way to go. I'm stuck. Still make it the first place. You can still make it the first place. Do it. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that guy. Proud. Yeah. Oh, so I see if you look at in the corner, you'll see we finished 2 out of the 4. So we still need to do 2 races. Right. But we are for the challenge. Let me start. We're not scared of a challenge. We eat challenges for breakfast. Alright, so it's a fire rock racing. Let's go. Alright, so the same cars, just rev it up. My progress. I need to be first place. That's my way. No matter how. That's my birthright. I need to be in first place. That's what you don't understand. Let's go back again. Almost went the wrong way again. And I see nobody behind me. Yeah, looking good. I mean, we can even turn on this food. Like I said, there's no competition. Maybe it will get difficult. But for now, it's easy. Go the other way again. car looks like somewhere to bricks or stones there. Oh. Let's go. Not an easy goal. Okay, just hoping to keep that momentum going, but continue. Alright, fender. So I'm thinking, in my mind, I'm thinking now, we get this part, so after we finish this, after we're done with junior, we go on maybe to amateur, we can like upgrade our vehicle or stuff like that. But for now, it's fine, because it's easy, like work. Alright, Sandstone Raceway. Right, let's see what we got. This looks interesting. Let's go, another race. You're not interested in first place, that's on you. Let's get out of my way. But why is these roads like this? I almost took a wrong turn again. Hopefully we know the road now. Can we stay on it? This car's handling when it comes to turns, pretty nice, pretty nice. Not gonna lie. Look at the beat.
See ya later, sucker!
Easy.
Power.
Yeah, bro, we got this in the bag. Alright, brothers and sisters, I think that is going to be our Let's Go Wreck video for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video with all the driving, the lawnmowers, the turning, the drifting, the racing, everything. So, on the next video, I'm thinking we're gonna go to amateur or something like that, but eventually we want to end up at masters. We're currently just at regional junior, so thinking this is just the easy levels of the game. But brothers and sisters of the DC4 family, I think that is going to be our next video where we will continue our journey. But if you guys like the video, there's a button for that. If you guys want to leave a like, if you guys want to subscribe to the channel, there's also a button for that. If you guys want to leave a comment or just talk to me in general, there's also a button for that. But brothers and sisters of the Drop Zone C4 family, let's drop the C4 into the zone.